Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be buying some V-Bucks. So in order to buy some V-Bucks, let's just go to your very last option where you guys see V-Bucks. From there, just pick whichever amount you guys like. Obviously the higher amount the better it is because you do get bonus V-Bucks. So we're going to go for the highest amount possible, which is this one right here. We're going to press on purchase. Once we press on purchase, we should see this screen. For most of you, if you click on confirm purchase right now without adding more funds, I'm just going to show you. It's just going to go through and you will have no problem. So don't worry about it. Let's just go into return to application. And we will see that our V-Bucks up there will be up to 13,500. That's perfect. So that's 13,500 V-Bucks. And that's how to purchase right here on your PlayStation V-Bucks, so you guys can use them to buy anything in the item shop. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.